Welcome to the session of Quantitative Aptitude and Non-Verbal Reasoning on Sequence and Pattern Completion. Myself, Shruti HG, Assistant Professor, Civil Department, ATMECE, MYSURU. Let us first know the definition of sequence and pattern completion. Sequence is a set of quantities ordered in the same manner as the positive integers, in which there is always the same relation between each quantity and the one succeeding it. A sequence can be finite, such as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, or it can be infinite, such as 1, 12, 13, 14 up to the 1nth, also called as progression. The terms follows a certain pattern throughout the series. One is required to study the given series first, identify the pattern followed in the series, and either complete the given series with the most suitable alternative or find the wrong term in the series. Pattern completion. In pattern completion, a figure following a set sequence or pattern is given. A part of the figure, generally a quarter, is left blank. One is then required to select a part out of the 4 given alternative which best fits into the blank space of the problem. Let us start the problems on sequences. The first problem: find out the next term in the series 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Solution: the given series is a consecutive prime number series. Consecutive prime numbers refers to a sequence of 2 or more prime numbers that are next to each other with no other prime numbers in between. Therefore, next term after 19 is 23. The right answer is option B, 23. Second problem. Find the value of the expression 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 plus so on up to 100 terms. Solution. In the given series, if you do the subtraction 1 minus 2, you will get minus 1, 3 minus 4, you will get minus 1, 5 minus 6, again you will get minus 1 and so on. Therefore, total terms of minus 1 will be 50 up to 100 terms. Therefore, minus 1 into 50 will get minus 50. So, the right answer is option D, minus 50. Next problem. Find the missing terms in the series 4, 12, 36, 324, 972. Solution. In this given series, every next element can be calculated as 3 into previous element. That is, for example, 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Similarly, 12 into 3 you will get 36. For this question mark, 3 into previous element, that is 36. So if you do 3 into 36, you will get 108. So the right answer is option A, 108. Next problem. Find the missing term in the series 3, 5, 9, 17, 33, 65. In this series, 2 into previous element minus 1. So for the next term, that is for the 5, 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6 minus 1, you will get 5. Similarly, 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10 minus 1, you will get 9. So like that you have to go and calculate. So for the left thing, that is the question mark, you have to use 2 into 65 minus 1. You will get 130 minus 1, that is 129. So the missing term is 129. The option is A. Similarly, we have some of the problems on pattern completion. In each of the following questions, select a figure from amongst the four alternatives which when placed in the blank space of figure X would complete the pattern. So this is the given pattern. A part of the figure, generally a quarter, is left blank. One is then required to select a part out of the four given alternatives which best fits into the blank space of the problem. So in this problem, the answer is option D. Figure 4 will complete the pattern. So similarly, this is the given pattern. So you have to select which option will suit the left blank. For this particular problem, the option is C, that is figure 3 will fits the left blank. Similarly, we have another pattern. So you have to observe properly which figure will suit this left blank. So in this particular problem, the option D, that means figure 4 will complete the pattern. So this is the another pattern we have. So you have to observe which figure will fit this first blank. So for this particular problem, option B, that is figure 2 will fit this left blank. So similarly, you can work out similar problems on sequence and pattern completion. Thank you.